Right, so we're back on site. It's day 6 of our XLAM CLT panel installation. So we've had a cracking morning this morning. We've just finished having smoko. So yesterday went incredibly well. We got all the internal walls upstairs and external walls done for the back half of the house. This morning we've got our steel portal frame in at the back of the house, our last sort of wall panel on, and we've actually installed the stairs this morning. So we've all been a little bit, how you going with what's going to go on with them, because we had all of our stairwell walls up and like the landing and all the stairs are millimetre perfect, and just proved what a great job the boys have been doing on site, because they were perfectly square. Our landing just slid down the tunnel, it went into position. We lifted the 2 flights of stairs in, it fit together like a glove. It's actually been the easiest part of this whole job that we've done so far. So yeah, really excited. Boys are just getting a last beam in at the moment, and we're just about to start our roof panel. So well, this afternoon, this back half of the house will be completed. We'll move the crane to the front of the site and get cracking on the front half.